everyone, I'm so happy you're here. Are you ready for another awesome letter? Today, we're learning the daring, delightful letter D. Let's discover it together.
D is for duck, wagging its tail. D is for duck, swimming so well. D is for drum, tap, tap, tap. D is for dolphin, jump and clap. D, D, letter D, big and bold for all to see. D, D, what a sound, say it loud and dance around. D is for door, open it wide. D is for daisy, standing with pride. D is for dragon, flying high. D is for donut, sweet as the sky. D, 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 we love you, learning letters 1 and 2. Now you know the letter D, sing again and dance with me.
Take a look at these fun pictures. Can you shout out the ones that start with the letter D? Let's play the D detective game. Yes, Daisy and Donut both start with D. Great job, letter detectives. That was fantastic. We sang, we explored, and we had fun with the letter D. What was your favorite D word? Let's keep learning together. Subscribe so you never miss an adventure. See you soon, friends.